After hiking the Cave of 𝐼𝐻𝐼, we still had a little bit of energy left in us, so we made the quick 12-mile drive over to another cave in the area, Vanalden Cave. The trail starts at the dead end of Vanalden Avenue in Tarzana. It's a wide street with plenty of parking. Even though the trail is only half a mile round trip, you'll get a little bit of a workout because most of the way there is uphill. You will have to watch your step along the way because recent rains have eroded the trail pretty badly. You'll have to make a left at the first fork you come to in the trail. When we were there was this red berry bush, but I don't know how much of the year the berries are there, so instead look for the trail that has the fallen tree across it. This is the way you want to go. Unfortunately, pretty much the entire area is covered in graffiti, including the cave itself. It's too bad because it actually is really pretty here. There is one more fork in the trail that you need to take. There is a much more defined trail off to the right, but I'm not sure where it goes. Instead, you need to make a left and hop over this branch, or just go under it in V's case. Soon between the trees, you should see the Vanalden Cave begin to appear. The area outside the cave had tons of these seemingly climbable indentions made into the rocks. The only problem was the top out was super sketchy and it was really high up. So unless you bring a crash pad or you are an incredibly skilled climber, I probably would not attempt these because it would be really difficult to get back to the car if you take a big fall here. But enough about the area outside the cave, let's get to the star of this hike, Vanalden Cave. It's about 20 feet high and 50 feet deep with bright skylights. Unfortunately, the GoPro was not liking the low light conditions in the cave, so I switched to my camera to take pictures instead. If you want to make the most of this hike, there is also a little side trail that will take you up to the roof of the cave. From up here, you can look down into the cave from the skylights. Just be careful, don't fall in. This is an out and back trail, so you're going to head right back out the way that you came in. One thing that we noticed is that in addition to the graffiti, there's sadly a lot of dumping going on in this area. So if you want to do Mother Nature a solid and do a little bit of trail cleanup here, it would be greatly appreciated. If you get an early enough start, hiking Cave to 𝐼𝐻𝐼 and then coming and hiking Vanalden Cave is a really nice fun combo. If you enjoy our adventures, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified when we make new videos. Check us out on Instagram at @thatadventurelife_official, and for all the information about this hike as well as other awesome adventures, head on over to 𝐷atAdventureLife.com.